What if a small team of AI agents could talk, divide work, and ship in minutes? That's Microsoft AutoGen, open source orchestration for collaborating AI agents. Why it matters. Single prompts hit a ceiling. Teams break problems into roles and finish faster. It's flexible. Use OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, or local models. Built-in chat loops with stock conditions, like final answer. Tools included: call APIs, run Python, and handle files, all behind guardrails. Step 1. Pip install AutoGen Agent Chat. Step 2. Set OpenAI API key, or switch to Azure. Swap providers anytime. Step 3. Define roles: planner, writer, critic. Step 4. Assign tools and permissions. Writer gets code and search. Critic is read only. Step 5. Kick off a group chat. They loop automatically to final answer. Use case: draft a blog from outline to polished copy. Use case: analyze a spreadsheet and summarize insights. Use case: write, run, and test small scripts. Tips: type prompts. Limit tools. Add a safety agent to veto risky actions. Next, install AutoGen, clone a quick start, and swap your provider. I'm Kiran Nagagoje. Drop a like, ask your toughest AutoGen question, and I'll turn it into the next demo. See you soon.